My name is Kristina Gjerde. I'm Senior High Seas Advisor to IUCN, the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. We're here after the first week of the fifth negotiating session of this UN agreement on the conservation, sustainable use of marine biodiversity beyond national boundaries. Many of us have to remain stubbornly optimistic that we will conclude this series of now 20-year-long discussions and negotiations for a new treaty to actually help to sustain, preserve, protect ocean life when it realms within and out to beyond national boundaries. Many of the key issues involve the four elements of the package deal, which are about marine protected areas, marine genetic resources, environmental impact assessments, and capacity building and technology transfer. How can we make all of these elements come together to actually serve the greater purpose of long-term conservation and sustainable use of marine biodiversity? Some of our ideas are for strategic environmental assessments, which are a wonderful tool, part of the package of environmental impact assessments and long-term monitoring and assessment that will help people to realize where animals go, like this beautiful leatherback sea turtle that nests on land but spends most of its time out on the high seas. We now have the tools and technologies to track where they go when they leave land. We need to be able to apply these tools and technologies in a way that informs how fisheries are managed, how shipping is managed, as well as the core areas that we need to protect. We need to make sure that all the relevant bodies, from fisheries management organizations and shipping ones, are prepared to work together. And we can only do that if we set forth high-level objectives of long-term conservation, of protecting the full range of migratory species, and making sure that this conference of parties that we are establishing can take decisions amongst their states' parties to launch effective, comprehensive measures for protecting important habitat areas beyond national boundaries.